How to fix video recording not working in phone 4a. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, force stop camera. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search camera app. Now click on camera app. Click on force stop. After click on force stop, camera will be force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear cache. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see apps. Again search camera app. Now click on camera app, click on storage, add cache. Now here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix video recording not working in phone 4a. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.